Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best tennis rackets that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 1. Are you struggling with arm fatigue after long matches? Feel like your racket isn't giving you enough power on ground strokes? If you're a recreational player looking for something lightweight, powerful, and easy to swing, this might be exactly what you need. This is the Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3, a lightweight adult recreational tennis racket designed for effortless power and comfort. Ultra-lightweight design, weighing just 0.24 kilograms, about 8.5 ounces, it's extremely easy to maneuver. Head-heavy balance generates extra power without requiring a full, aggressive swing. Composite and graphite frame provides a strong yet lightweight structure for better durability and feel. Carbon fiber shaft enhances stability while reducing vibration. Oversized head offers a larger sweet spot, helping reduce mishits. Ideal grip options, sizes 1 to 4, available in multiple grip sizes for better control and comfort. This racket is built to make the game easier and more enjoyable for casual and intermediate players. Pros: very lightweight and arm-friendly. Generates easy power. Large sweet spot. Great for doubles and baseline play. Cons: less control for advanced players. Not ideal for heavy topspin hitters. Higher price compared to some beginner rackets. This racket is best for recreational players, beginners to intermediate adults, players with slower swing speeds, anyone dealing with mild arm discomfort. If you're a competitive advanced player, you may want something heavier with more control. At around $169, the Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3 offers excellent value for players who prioritize comfort and power. It's an investment in easier swings and more enjoyable matches. If this sounds like the right racket for you, check the link in the description for the latest price. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more honest tennis gear reviews. Tennis. Number 2. This is the Babolat Boost S tennis racket, a lightweight, easy-to-handle racket designed for adult players who want power, comfort, and forgiveness in every shot. Lightweight build, 280 grams. Easy to swing and maneuver, making it perfect for long matches without arm fatigue. Graphite frame and shaft. Provides a solid, responsive feel while keeping the racket stable and durable. 102 SQ in head size. Offers a larger sweet spot, helping reduce mishits and increase consistency. Balanced power and control. Designed to give recreational players easy power without sacrificing too much control. Pre-strung and ready to play. Comes ready out of the box, no need for immediate stringing. 4 3/8 grip size. A popular adult grip size that offers comfort and stability during play. This racket focuses on making tennis easier and more enjoyable for developing players. Pros: lightweight and arm-friendly. Easy power generation. Large sweet spot for better forgiveness. Comfortable for beginners and intermediates. Cons: not ideal for advanced competitive players. Slightly less precision for heavy topspin hitters. Basic string quality may need upgrading later. Overall, it's a very forgiving and confidence-boosting racket. This racket is best for beginner to intermediate adult players, recreational and club-level players, players transitioning from a heavier racket, anyone looking for a lightweight, easy swing option. Advanced tournament players may prefer a heavier, more control-focused model. At around $150, the Babolat Boost S delivers strong value for casual and improving players. You're getting a lightweight graphite frame from a trusted tennis brand at a reasonable price, making it a smart investment for recreational play. Tennis. Number 3. This is the Wilson Clash 108 V2, a performance-focused tennis racket built for advanced players who want comfort, flexibility, and effortless power in one modern frame. Key features/highlights, 0 to 60 seconds. 45-degree carbon construction. Wilson's 45-degree technology enhances frame flexibility while maintaining stability, giving you a unique blend of control and comfort. 108 SQ in head size. The oversized head creates a larger sweet spot, making shots more forgiving without losing power. Lightweight design, 0.62 pounds, unstrung. Easy to maneuver at the net and quick during fast rallies. Arm-friendly flex. One of the most comfortable performance rackets available, great for players concerned about arm strain. Extended length. Provides extra reach and added leverage for serves. Modern design update, V2. Improved stability and refined feel compared to the previous generation. This racket blends power, spin potential, and comfort in a very player-friendly way. Pros. Extremely arm-friendly. Large sweet spot. Great power with controlled response. Excellent for doubles and aggressive baseline play. Cons. Less precision than smaller head performance rackets. Advanced players seeking maximum control may prefer a 98 to 100 SQ in frame. Unstrung requires separate stringing. Overall, it's one of the most comfortable high-performance rackets in its class. This racket is ideal for intermediate to advanced adult players. Players with arm sensitivity. Doubles players who want quick maneuverability. Baseline hitters looking for easy depth. Not the best choice for pure control-focused tournament competitors. At around $100, the Wilson Clash 108 V2 offers exceptional value, especially for a premium performance racket featuring 45-degree technology. For players wanting comfort plus power at a competitive price, this is a strong buy. Tennis. Number 4. This is the Head Geo Speed Adult Tennis Racket, a lightweight, pre-strung beginner-friendly racket designed to make learning and improving easier. Light balance design. The light balance makes it easier to swing, improving control and reducing arm fatigue. Titanium frame construction. Strong and durable while keeping the racket lightweight for better handling. Graphite shaft. Adds stability and improves overall feel during contact. 27.5-inch length. Slightly extended length provides extra reach and added leverage on serves. 10.4 ounces weight. Light enough for beginners but stable enough for consistent shots. Pre-strung and ready to play. No extra setup required, perfect for players who want to start immediately. 4 3/8 grip size. Comfortable standard adult grip size for better control. This racket is designed to make tennis more forgiving and enjoyable for new players. Pros. Beginner-friendly and easy to swing. Durable titanium construction. Pre-strung and ready to use. Extra reach from extended length. Cons. Limited control for advanced players. Not ideal for heavy topspin hitters. Slightly basic feel compared to performance rackets. Overall, it's a solid entry-level racket focused on comfort and ease of use. This racket is best for beginner adult players, casual recreational players, players upgrading from very basic starter rackets, those who want lightweight control with added reach. Advanced competitive players will likely prefer a more control-oriented frame. At around $140, the Head Geo Speed offers dependable quality from a trusted brand. For beginners who want a lightweight, durable, and ready-to-play racket, it provides solid value for the price. Tennis. Number 5. This is the Wilson Burn 100 ULS V5, a lightweight performance tennis racket built for aggressive players who want speed, spin, and explosive power. Ultra lightweight, 9.7 ounces, unstrung. Designed for fast swings, making it easier to generate racket head speed. Carbon fiber frame and shaft. Provides strength, stability, and a crisp, responsive feel at impact. 100 SQ in head size. Offers a balanced blend of power and precision for competitive play. Spin-friendly string pattern. Optimized to help players generate heavy topspin and aggressive baseline shots. Modern V5 design update. Improved frame stability and a bold cosmetic refresh compared to previous versions. Unstrung frame. Allows players to customize strings and tension based on their playing style. This racket is built for players who like to dictate points with pace and spin. Pros: extremely maneuverable, excellent spin potential, great for fast baseline rallies, customizable string setup. Cons: less forgiving than oversized rackets, may feel too light for players who prefer heavier frames, requires separate stringing. Overall, it's a sharp, modern racket focused on speed and aggressive performance. Best for / should buy 0 to 35 seconds. This racket is ideal for intermediate to advanced players, aggressive baseliners, players who rely on spin and fast swings, competitive adults who want a lightweight performance frame. Not the best option for beginners or players needing extra forgiveness. Price and value info: 0 to 20 seconds. At around $84.95, the Wilson Burn 100 ULS V5 offers outstanding value for a performance-level carbon fiber racket. For competitive players on a budget, this is a strong and affordable option. If this racket fits your playing style, check the link in the description for the latest price. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more honest tennis gear reviews. Tennis.